Good morning, all of you. Today's topic is transport of gases. So, mainly transport of gases are O2 and CO2. Transport of gases are O2 and CO2. First of all, O2 transport. Transport of oxygen or O2 transport. So, oxygen is transported from lungs to the tissue. Oxygen transported from lungs to tissues through the plasma and RBC Transport of oxygen through the plasma and RBC. So O2 transported from lungs to tissues through the plasma and RBC. Okay. So 100 ml of oxygenated blood. 100 ml of oxygenated blood can deliver 5 ml of O2. Okay. 100 ml of oxygenated blood can deliver 5 ml of O2. And the transport of oxygen through the plasma. 3% of O2 is carried through the blood plasma in dissolved state. The transport of oxygen through the plasma, how much? Only 3% of oxygen transported in dissolved state. And second stage, transport of oxygen by RBC. So this is plasma and this is RBC. Transport of oxygen through the plasma, how much? 3%. But transport of oxygen by the RBC is 97%. 97% of O2 is transported by the RBC. RBC they contains hemoglobin. RBC contains hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a red color. Hemoglobin is a red color iron. Red color iron containing pigment. Hemoglobin is a red color iron pigment is present in the RBC. Each hemoglobin molecules can carry maximum 4 oxygen molecules. Okay. Each hemoglobin carries 4 oxygen molecules. Okay, so transport of O2 by the RBC, how much? 97%. 97% of oxygen can carries hemoglobin molecules. Okay, so each hemoglobin molecule contains 4 oxygen molecules. 4 oxygen molecules. And binding of oxygen with hemoglobin. RBC contains hemoglobin. Hemoglobin contains 4 oxygen molecules. Okay, RBC contains hemoglobin. Hemoglobin contains 4 oxygen molecules. The binding of oxygen with hemoglobin is from oxyhemoglobin. So is called the oxygenation. Oxygenation of hemoglobin. Binding of oxygen with hemoglobin is formed oxyhemoglobin, is called oxygenation. The hemoglobin color is purple bluish red. It is bind with oxygen molecule. Purple, red, bluish red is mixed with the oxygen, then form the bright red color of oxyhemoglobin. Bright red color of oxyhemoglobin. Okay. The transport of gases from lungs to the tissue. First level, at lung stage, the partial pressure of O2, is high. At lung stage, partial pressure of O2 is high. Then oxygen bind with hemoglobin. And form oxyhemoglobin. Okay, at lung stage the partial pressure of O2 is high, then O2 binds with the hemoglobin, then form the oxyhemoglobin. So for example, hemoglobin is Hb plus 4O2, and gives rise to HbO2. Hb means hemoglobin. And oxygen. Hemoglobin bind with oxygen, then form the oxyhemoglobin. So is called the oxygenation. Oxygenation is present in lung stage. And next stage is tissue. At the stage is tissue stage. The tissue stage, the partial pressure of O2 is low. Then oxyhemoglobin hemoglobin, oxyhemoglobin dissociates into oxygen and hemoglobin. Okay, so at tissue stage, partial pressure of O2 is low and oxyhemoglobin is dissociated into oxygen plus hemoglobin. At the lung stage, partial pressure of O2 is high, then oxygen bind with hemoglobin, then form the oxyhemoglobin. But tissue stage, O2 is low, then dissociation of oxyhemoglobin converted into oxygen plus hemoglobin. Then